Welcome to Mitsubishi's walkthrough of how to manage and install media on the CP-W5000. Components to get started include the CP-W5000 printer, 8-inch print paper, flanges, the ink ribbon, the ink cassette, and the exit paper tray set. To handle the paper, carefully remove your new media from the packaging and place them on a dust-free flat surface. There's a sticker attached to the paper on every new package. Do not remove this sticker until you've set the paper in the printer. Examine the paper to make sure that it is round, as it could have been deformed during shipment. If needed, squeeze the sides of your paper together in a circular shape, thus ensuring proper flange install. Pinch the latches to retract the stopper. The black flange is attached on the right and the blue flange is attached on the left. Make sure that the flanges are attached securely and release the latches. Note that when you place the paper into the printer, the end of the paper should be out and down as shown. Again, the black flange is on the right and the blue flange is on the left. Place the ink cassette on a flat surface when loading the ink ribbon. The color indicators on the ink cassette indicate correct ink ribbon placement. Note that the larger roll is closest to the cassette handle. Another correct way to set the ribbon in place is by making sure that the print handle knobs are on the right. Snap the ribbon firmly to the cassette into the corresponding slots. Connect the AC cable and power on the printer. Press the open button located on the front bottom corner. Slide open the printer door to access the ink compartment. Place the ink tray into the ink compartment and close the front door. Make sure that the top panel of the printer is closed before you slide in the front door. The next step is to install the paper. Hold the enter button to unlock the front door. Remove the front panel to access the paper compartment. Empty the paper strip bin at any time you perform an installation. Set the paper into the compartment. Make sure that the paper end faces out and down towards the roller. Insert the paper between the rollers. Continue running the paper through until the blue LED lights up. Close the front panel door. The print paper initialization process begins seconds after you close the door. When the auto feed and cut mode has been selected, the feed and cut procedure is repeated 2 times. Once initialization is complete, our final step is to assemble and place the exit paper tray on the printer. Attach and insert the bracket below the exit paper tray. Attach and insert the bracket below the exit paper tray. Once the main tray is secured to the top and bottom of the printer, place the exit waste bin into the tray. Set the attachment alignment feed onto the main tray. If you have any questions or concerns, you can email us at tsupport@meus.mea.com or give us a call at 1-888-307-0309.